Hey, what are you doing? Sitting around, sitting on the computer, playing around with the cell phone? Why aren't you outside? Why aren't you outside enjoying life? I know. Everybody's got to have that day job. I get it. I have to tell you right now, it's Tuesday, about 11 o'clock. Just ate lunch, had a great hike. This is where I want to be. I don't know about you guys. We're stuck doing this thing called life. We got suckered into, hey, gotta have that job, gotta work it to 40 years, and then maybe retire, hopefully healthy. Is that where you are? Or are you out doing things that you love to do? I love being in the outdoors. This is me. I'm tired of sitting behind a desk. I'm tired of listening to a boss. And I know that there's a better way. I know there's a better way. I was looking, maybe you're looking. I was looking on the internet. I knew that's where I wanted to be because Wi-Fi is everywhere here in the United States. It's also just about everywhere else too. However, not a lot of people are using it. Maybe you don't know how. I didn't know how, so that's why I started searching. And I got lucky. Yeah, I got lucky. I came across this video series for free that was sent to me. I got to check it out, and I got to learn how these people learn how to use the internet to create the lifestyle of their dreams. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm sorry. There's nothing about doing stuff quick. You do have to learn how to use it. I didn't know how. Fortunately, these videos showed me how to use it. This is an education system. They're going to lead you step by step, module by module. This is how you do it. This is going to set you up properly. And there's a whole team of people there, a whole group of really like-minded people that all want to achieve success. And it's not like the corporate world where we're like stepping on each other to get that one spot at the top. It's not like that. With the internet, we all have to be unique. We have to be our own people. And if you're not, you're going to get booted out fast. And you're going to have one heck of a time trying to get back in. So this is why you want to learn how to do it the right way. There are rules in place that we need to follow. Be courteous and just the way things used to be, you know? You used to be able to walk into a store and you got to know somebody. And as cold as you might seem the internet to be, it's not. There's a lot of real people back here and we are having a great time. And I would love to send you the same video series that I got. It got me started. I never thought I'd be doing videos like this, but I have to tell you, being in an environment like this one, it's pretty darn good. I'd be glad to send it to you. You need to click somewhere on here on this video, and I will send it to your inbox. And if you're not interested at any point, you can unsubscribe, and I'll be out of your hair. But in the meantime, do click on them. Enjoy them. There's about 7 of them. They'll come one day each, and you'll get to learn a little bit about how this works. I'm enjoying it. I am learning heaps, and I got a crazy 9-to-5 job. I have to tell you, it's not 9 to 5. It's more like 6 to 4, which is crazy. And I'm actually able to fit it around my schedule, a little bit at a time. And you just get there, and there's people here that are willing to help. I'm here to help. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Check out the videos here. My name is Susanna, and I'm looking forward to talking to you soon. Take it easy and enjoy the outdoors. I love it here. It's quite warm, and I might have to jump in the water for a little bit, cool off. Take it easy. Bye.